Good morning, children. So, in the last class, you learn how to find the mean, median, and the mode of the given data. So, today we are going to learn which type of average means, that is the mean or median or mode, which is good for the given data. Okay. So here they are given the 6 employees salary. Okay, so one employee salary is 30,000, 33, 37, 40, 46 and the 48. Okay, so these are the salaries of the 6 employees. Now I wanted to find the mean. So what I will do here, I will find the mean here. How to do? To find the mean, I will add it. Okay, so that is 30,000 plus 33,000 plus 37,000 plus 40,000 plus 46,000 plus 48,000 divided by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divided by 6. Okay, so 30, 60, 90, 100, 80, 40, 80, 80, 120, 120 plus 134 means 234. Okay. So this will be the sorry. Okay. So 2,34,000 divided by 6. If I do this one, I will get the answer 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. So 6 3s are 18 here. 6 3s are 18. After lessing, it will 5 will remain. 5 beside 4, 54. So 5 9s are 54 and then followed by 3 zeros. So 39,000 it is the mean. Okay. If what happened here, the mean is okay, good it is. Now I find the mean, that is correct. But if I am going to another one more employee, that is the 7th employee. Okay, but he is getting the salary of 2 lakh. How much he is getting? 2 lakh. Okay. So if that person is getting 2 lakh, then what will be the average? So then, what will be the average means mean. So what will be, this will be again adding to this, it becomes 4 lakh 34,000 divided by 6 I will do. Okay, if I do like this, what will be the mean? So here I will get the 62,000 is the mean. Is it correct? Is it average of all the people? No. So this is wrong here. Mean is correct. But here we are adding one more person that is having a high salary. It is very high. Other, if I instead of adding a high salary person, if I add the very low salary person, then also the average will be differentiate. It will differ. Okay, so for that, what we will say that for some data with this mean will be not good. So for some data, for example, here I have taken the high value. If I am taken the lowest value, then I will get the mean in a two different way. That will be not, we cannot say that is a mean. So that we will say that skewed data. Such data we say that skewed data. We say that data is a skewed data. Okay. So for that what we will do, we will prefer for the median. What we will do? We will prefer for the median. Median means we know that. First we have to arrange them in the ascending order and then we will write. So already they are in the ascending order only. Can you tell me now which is the median here? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6 is here. So what I should do? Here 6 are in even numbers. So what I will do? I will take the middle two one, I will add it, that is 40,000 plus 46,000 divided by 2. So that is 86,000 divided by 2. That is 43,000 will be the median. When when the only the 6 people salaries. If I add, that is rupees 2 lakh. What will happen? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. So 7 means odd number. So we will get the in the center one. If you leave this and then this one. What will be the middle one? That is the 40,000. So median is what? Median is rupees 40,000. This is the median. Okay. So here we will get the median. Actually, if you see here 39 and the 40, it is not too much differ here. Almost they are very close. So instead of that, better after adding the highest salary person, if I add for lowest salary person also, in the median we will not get any difference, lot of difference between the average. So we prefer for those data, for skewed data, sometimes what we will do, we will prefer for the median. In the skewed data means we may have either the highest number or the smallest one for the given data compared to the given data. Okay. Otherwise, one more thing is there. So the here median is 40,000. Okay. Now if I come to the next one, that is the mode. Mode means, you know that mode means more number of times repeating. So here why we will use this mode means, you know that for example they are sending a different type of pizzas, and which is the favorite one, means which is the famous popular pizza, that to find it. Otherwise roses, flowers they are sending. Which flower will go more? Which means which flowers will sell more? That will be the mode. Okay. So means which is the more number of things are selling. Chocolates, dairy milk chocolates, and a movie, actors, which actor movies watch more, most of the people, that is the popular. So that is the mode, like that. Okay. So now this is how we have to use the mean, median and mode. Okay. So here in the exercise 3.1, find the mean. So mean means what? As I said, you find the mean means you have to add it and divide it by like this. You have to find the mean for the given numbers. Find the median. Median means if it is an even numbers, you have to add the middle two numbers and then divide it by 2. If it is an odd number, we will write it directly like this. Median. Okay. So that we have to do. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. Find the mode of the following. So here you have to, and one more thing, when you are writing the median and the mode, you have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. Okay. Next, find the mode of the following. Here also you have to arrange in the ascending order and then write which number, which data is repeating more number of times, that will be the mode. Okay. Next, 4th question. Find the mean, median and mode of the following set of data. So they are given the data. For that, the given data, you have to find all the 3. First you have to do find the mean. First mean you have to find, and then mean you have to, median you have to find, and then mode. Like this you have to find all the 3 things for the given data. Next, find the mean, median and mode of the following set of data. Same. In a series of test matches, Pathan, Dravid and Dhoni scored the runs given in the table. Find the mean score of the 3 batsmen. Also find the median and mode scores of each. In your opinion, which average correctly represent the performance of the 3 batsmen? So first what you have to do, you have to find the mean, median and the mode of each person. Okay. Afterwards, you have to choose one average. Average means what? Mean, median and mode. Which one you feel good, that you can write here. Okay. Next, complete the following table computing the mean, median and mode of the test scores of each student. So here also you have to find, they are given horizontally here. So here also you have to find the mean, median and the mode of the data. Okay, for each person. Okay, children, this you have to complete here. Okay, thank you.